Hello everyone. Let's have another scenario here where the fuse is connected to the live wire, there's a metal casing, and there's an earth wire connected to the metal casing. But this time round, the only difference is that the switch is along the neutral wire. So what happens when you turn on the switch? So when you turn on the switch, the current flows. Well, technically, appliance is working. There is no signs of potential hazard such as fire or electrocution. Appliance is working. So how is connecting the switch to the neutral wire considered an electrical hazard? In fact, this is an electrical hazard. How is this so? Now we have to see from the user perspective. Now in the event where the appliance needs to be changed, and in this context, the appliance that we're referring to are usually, example, the water heater in your bathroom, the lights on your ceiling, or some of you may have ceiling fan or wall fan, or air conditioning. These are appliances which are mounted. They cannot be disconnected by a wire and taken out to change. Then they are still connected to the electrical outlet. And in doing so, there's potentially a scenario where the user accidentally touches the live potential of the wire. And in this case, his feet becomes the earth, and the current flows through the live wire. This time round, it need not go through the load because the load is connected to an open switch. It will flow through his body, causing the user to be electrocuted. And also do note that the electrical resistance of the human body is very, very high, from a few kilo ohms all the way to a few mega ohms. That means the current that flows through him is very, very small, and the fuse will not melt to disconnect the circuit. So as a result of this, when the current flows through the human body, it only needs a few milliamperes to kill a human. And this is potentially what happens when the switch is connected to neutral wire. When the switch is open, the appliance is still at live potential. When switch is open, appliance remains at live potential. Here, because the appliance remains at live potential, if the user tries to repair or remove the appliance, if he accidentally touches the live potential, his body will form a closed circuit. His body will complete the circuit and cause himself to be electrocuted. Hence, the switch should not be along the neutral wire. It should be along the live wire. Because when the switch is at the live wire, when its switch is open, the appliance will not be at the live potential.